One of the things I learned is if you build a road, uh, loggers will come.
Yep.
And they will start cutting stuff down. Now, from an archaeology perspective, if you cut down trees, you get to discover things. But from a sort of protective, very precious rainforest perspective, it's obviously the opposite way. But it is interesting. I've seen where loggers cut through the forest, and then and when they leave, the forest heals itself very
So quick,
quickly.
so quickly.
And, you just think that across decades, you expand that to centuries, and it's like you could see how a civilization could be completely swallowed up by the rainforest.
And it happened for sure in the Amazon.
Yeah.
One of the ways that we're trying to push the frontier of where people were in the Amazon, because yes, the trees and just the biomass have eaten so much evidence. But they're finding more and more of these places that they call Terra Preta, which is black earth. And they're huge swaths of it. So I guess the anthropology term is anthropogenic landscapes.
Mm-hmm.
And what they're saying is that really dark earth couldn't have just got that way through natural forest processes. That sometime in the distant past, that forest wasn't there and there was major farming and human activity to the point where they totally turned the soil black and it's much more enriched. And when I took a trip into the Amazon, I went from Manaus up the river, the Black River, a couple of days and went and met some different communities. And I asked them about this black earth. And they were like, yeah, that's why we're here. Sometimes we move our village, but when we move, we look for the Terra Preta. And that's where we're going to put our village because that's a place that all of our gardens work. The other places, they don't.
One of the things you talked about, literally just you have to ask the right question. And the stories, all the secrets are carried by the people, and they will tell you.